no stopping us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tropes World. And if you guys play PUBG, you must have seen in other channels like that they tilt to the left or right like this. So as you can see, I'm tilting to the left and right for like if I am hiding somewhere, I will show you. Just hide somewhere. I will just show you that if you are hiding like this, then you can tilt to the left so that you can shoot by saving your own life in this game. So I will just show you that how can you enable or unlock this control. So what you have to do is to go back to the lobby. I will just show you. So guys, I'm back to the lobby. As you can see, what you have to do now, you have to click on the settings like this, and now you have to enable the peek and fire option on your phone. This option will be disabled, and what you need to do is to only enable this thing and also enable the peek and open scope option so that you can shoot like when your scope is turned on. So what you need to do is only enable these two options. So now I'm enabled these two options. Now I will show you that these two options are available to play. So I will go to the lobby and then choose the training session so that no one kills me. And now I'm in the training session and I will find a gun, any gun like this one. Now what I will do, I will tilt to the left and shoot. As you can see, I'm tilted to the left and shooting now. So it looks something like this when you tilt to the left, and something like this when you tilt to the right or left side. So thank you guys for watching, and this is the quick video that how can you enable these two peak options so that you can play PUBG more like a pro. So thank you for watching guys, and please like this video and share my video, and of course subscribe my channel. It's free for all, and click on the left side top corner to see the last video, and right top corner to see any random video, and click on the middle on the subscribe button so that you could be subscribed my channel so that you can get any updates in the future when I upload video. And I will catch you in my next one.